Hello students, today we are going to conduct the experiment to verify Ohm's law. First of all, we must know what does Ohm's law means. Ohm's law, as per Ohm's statement, V is directly proportional to I, or I is directly proportional to V at constant physical conditions. That is, V is directly proportional to I, or V is equal to IR, where R is the constant of proportionality. That is, V upon I is equal to R constant. This we are going to prove in this experiment. We are going to verify this. For that we need an apparatus. This apparatus is known as Ohm's kit. It looks like this, Ohm's kit. For this we need a circuit diagram. Here we go for the circuit diagram. This is the DC supply, this is the positive end, this is the negative end. For that, positive end is connected to milliammeter through rheostat. There is an internally built rheostat which we vary. On varying rheostat, the resistance changes. That is connected to the positive end of the supply. Negative end is connected to the one of the ends of the resistance. Positive supply is connected to the one of the end, and its other end of the ammeter. This is ammeter, this is voltmeter, and here are the three resistance that we have got, and by varying the resistance we can vary the resistance with the help of this potentiometer. Clear? Another end is connected to the negative supply. Okay, so this is the complete circuit diagram. After this connection, we will go for the observation. On observation table, we can conduct it offline once your college starts. I will give it a little demo on this on my second video. Just I am going to explain what does it means to verify the Ohm's law. On varying the voltage, the current is varying. In first case, the voltage is 1 volt, current we got is 2.4 milliamps. Voltage 2, current 4.8, voltage 3, current 7.2 milliamp, voltage 4, current is 9.6 milliamp. And this is the ratio V upon I. When we go for the V upon I ratio, we came to conclude that it comes out to be 0.416 kilo ohm in each case. That is, V upon I is a constant, and hence the Ohm's law is verified. And thereafter, when we plot the graph between V and I, we will see that here it is somewhere 2. When it is 2 milliamp, it comes out to be 4.8, just below 5. 4.8 voltage. When it is 3, it comes out to be 7.2. When it is 4, it comes to be 9.6. So this graph is a straight line. It means that straight line is a indication. When this is the graph is a straight line, it means that one thing is proportional to another. That is, V is proportional to I. That's all for the today.